If you've taken that off as much as we have, it's almost like a game now. We have a fix for that. I'm Sean.
I'm Jill.
This is 151 Garage. So our solution is a product that we purchased from Buck Rails. Now, we'll link it down below. This is a molle panel system that replaces this plastic piece. It is bolt in using a couple tabs and screws that go into these spots right here, and we'll go through that process when we install it. There's only 3 screws that hold this in. The other is a lip right here that catches and doesn't let it go anywhere. Now, along with the molle system, it does have a bottle opener right there. So you don't have to use a bottle opener that's back behind here. I think it's on this side.
Right here.
It's right there, yeah.
Right there.
So it has one nice and accessible. Really nice. I would rather have it on this than on some random thing back here. So we got a bottle opener for this. So we'll go through the process of putting this on. It does come with hooks, which we aren't gonna use. And what we are gonna use this for is basically we're gonna relocate this at a later date onto that. We want our first aid kit going on this rather than all the way over here. We started getting into the molle bags. This is just an extension of what we already have. We'll see. So we'll move you to where we can put this on and we'll show you the process. Okay, first things first, you do have to take off this. This is already busted up, so 3 tabs on the back side, which are right here, and then this right here is what was broken. So that right
wouldn't stay in.
Yeah, that wouldn't stay in. So every time we pushed it in, it would pop back out again. So let me go ahead and get the bag with the white tabs in it.
There you go.
So this right here is the mounting hardware. What you're gonna do is put in these little white tabs and you're gonna put them in this way. So it does pop in just like that. Do it to the 3 spots.
That's where your screws are gonna go.
Hold that real quick. There's that one, and then the last one.
Do you want your eyes, babe?
I'll give them a second. I do need a screwdriver though. So you get them centered. I do need to get a screwdriver. So Jill, you want to go grab me a Phillips head screwdriver?
Yeah.
Take them in there and check. We'll be right back. So the way the panel goes, it goes this way. You do have the flange right here that will sandwich this piece in between it. So you just put it in there, slide it in, and then line up the screws. Now, what we'll do, screw it in just a little bit until we get all of them in. The last one. Now don't torque these down too much because you will strip the plastic inserts.
Yeah. And that would suck.
They do give you extra hardware, both screws and the inserts, which is a nice thing in case you do that. Now, let me see the other pieces real quick. Now what these are, and we're not going to use them on this application, we will save them in case we need to use them later, are little hooks that go on the back side of this. There are little screws and fasteners that go behind it. You can put these on afterwards. You don't have to take this back off. That will hook into basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different slots. You do have 4 of these, so you can put them on there. Now, what's neat about this is it's an extension. If you don't have one of these, you at least have this where you can put whatever you want. Most likely, in fact, I will be putting this same thing on my black diamonds because I do like the system. I do want to put a molle bag on here for the
What, the first aid?
yeah, first aid kit.
So we did forget to mention that they have beautiful printed instructions. Very, very simple. It gives you a list on the top of all the hardware and the panel included.
All you really need is a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver. That's it. You really don't need anything else. The panel comes off fairly easily. You might need to use a panel removal tool, just a little plastic tool to pop the panel off. Ours was already popping off for itself, so it really didn't take any time other than just to pull the whole thing off and not worry about it. Wait. I do like this system. Now, I do have this system on this one. I do plan on putting this on my black diamonds. I absolutely think this is a way better option than the plastic piece. It's really nice. It really was simple to put on. I wasn't expecting this to be that good. Of one, it looks really good, and two, it's useful if you do the molle panels. We do plan on putting this on mine and using it for the mount for the first aid kit. We're gonna put it right here rather than over there.
Only because this can rip off. Well, you have to undo the top, but it can rip off like that in case you need to, you know, access it quickly.
And we want to have that as close to the outside of the vehicle as possible, especially on the Broncos and stuff. We're not sure if we're going to put it on hers yet. Hers has a gigantic first aid kit in it, which we don't need it.
Yeah, we don't need that. Just grab and go, where mine will come to you.
It's an EMS kit, so let's just leave it at that. It is a true EMS kit. Now, I like this. Think it'd be good for mine? Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I like the fact I had a bottle opener instead of going onto the pillars. That was
you can just open it. This is handy. If you're the one that goes camping and has to have a bottle opener, this is handy. It's right here. You don't have to use it inside your car.
Or
lose
if
it
you're
inside.
watching, put it in the gate.
You should have put it in the gate.
Not in a roll bar. Because a lot of people don't want to pull out their windows to access it from the outside.
Yeah. So, you know, thanks for Buck Rails for coming up with this or selling this, and is actually, I love it. I mean, I've been wanting to put this on for a while, so. But anyways.
Pretty much every product that we got from Buck Rails we absolutely love.
Yeah. So I'll look a discount code below. I don't know if it works for this. I know it works for all the Buck Rails they have, all the other systems they have. Mm-hmm. I'll have to check and, you know, save a little 10%, I believe. Yeah. So hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. See you next video.
Bye.